everyone, it's Amin here from Mobility Engineering. I'm joined by Erich from Sunrise Medical, and we're here today at the new Sunrise Medical facility in Wetherill Park. There's some new and exciting things coming soon inside, which I'm sure the public will be very pleased to see once it all sort of gets unveiled. So the purpose of today was to sort of come and pick up a new demo chair to start using with the chair topper roof loading solution. It's a solution for an independent driver to be able to transfer from their wheelchair into the vehicle and then be able to store their wheelchair in a weatherproof storage container on the roof, so that once they get to their destination, then they'd be able to use their mobility device in a clean, dry and dirt-free manner. So I'll just hand it over to Erich to give us a quick introduction into this chair and what it does.
Yes, thank you, Amin. So there's been a very long history of cooperation between Sunrise Medical Australia and Mobility Engineering. The chair that we have as a demo chair and a loan chair for Mobility Engineering is probably our most popular model of a lightweight foldable wheelchair, which is a Quickie 2. Within our range would probably be the chair which has the most customization options and accessory options, so it suits a very wide range of end users, from foot propellers up to very active users. And the chair that we have as a demo chair here is probably set up what would be fairly typical for an active wheelchair user.
Sounds good. And then, so what I'll do is I'll jump in this chair and I'll show a demo of typically how we'd use this to store it inside of the rooftop box. Obviously, the way the transfer is going to be done and how the storage of the chair is done by the independent user is going to be specific to them and their style and what comes naturally to them as best. But I'll sort of give it a go anyway and see how we go.
I just forgot to mention, maybe if you watching the video and wondering what size the chair is, so this one is an 18-inch wide, which is a very typical mid-range width for the wheelchair.
That's good. So typically get into the chair, we'd line it up to the door opening area where we're going to do the transfer. So just come to this location. From chair into the vehicle's transfer position. In this scenario, we're actually using a electric lifting tip-up plate, which is a plate that will bridge the gap between the vehicle seat and the wheelchair to allow for a more peace of mind transfer into the vehicle. So once we're here, we do need to have the wheelchair ready for a foldable position. So might undo the brakes, take it to a location that we think is going to be most suitable for the rooftop loader, remove the seat cushion and store it separately inside of the vehicle, which we'll then put inside into a safe storage position. Once we're here, we can continue to bring the rooftop loader out of the vehicle. To have the wheelchair match the rooftop loader, we do need the sling to be, the seat sling to be in an upright position, like so. And we wait for the catchment arm to come down. Once the arm has come down and it's at a suitable height, we can slide it into the sling and then proceed to the wheelchair back inside the vehicle. Once we're in this position, that's pretty much all you have to do. You have to just be able to fold the chair from a user perspective, be able to reach for that arm and slide it into the sling, and then we're able to then independently store our wheelchair inside the vehicle. And once it's stored in position, off we go to the destination that we love to get to. And thank you very much for watching and listening to the video. And thank you to Erich from Sunrise Medical. And and yeah, hopefully we can see some of these combinations out there soon in the public.